So it's not at all unusual that people come into the divorce process with very different ideas about money and access to money and disagreements about how they spend money, right? So, one of the first things we want to do is assess what the likelihood is of the cash accounts being depleted. Obviously, if somebody goes and wipes out a joint account, that can be a really, really scary moment. And it could also indicate that, they're going to go after other accounts too. So from time to time, it is necessary for us to get what's called a temporary restraining order. And that is an injunction, an emergency injunction the court will put in place, which will basically freeze the accounts. Now, there's a downside to this. So I always like to look for other options and other solutions before we go that route, because once the account is frozen, it can be very hard to unfreeze it. And that could cause damage if you're using those accounts to pay your bills, to access money for attorneys, etc. So it's something to talk about with your lawyer, but I do think it's good for people to know that there is a mechanism in place to basically freeze access to accounts.